Hey, this is Jason Bryan from BodiedByJ, and I thank you for downloading this step-by-step guide to getting started. I'm sharing some tips of how I got started and some things that I think are going to help you. So let's jump right into it. But first, congratulations. You've done the biggest step, and the biggest step is actually getting started, actually getting the information that you need. Information is important, and so you're going to need this through your journey. So let's jump right into it. Slow and light. You want to get started slow and light. Do not jump right into this thing and go, 2 or 3 hours trying to work out in the gym. Look, start slow and light. It's important that you do that 15, 30 minutes a day. You want to commit to that and working out 3 to 5 times a week. That's important. You want to start moving. When I started 15, 30 minutes. I would get up in the mornings. I would just do my 15, 30 minute workout and call it a day. And I made sure that workout was light. So start 15 to 30 minutes a day, 3 to 5 times a week, and you will have a great start to kick this off. Next, consistency. Consistency is key. You've got to do some things to kind of get yourself going. So set an alarm about the time that you're going to work out. You form a habit when you start doing things more than 21 days. So I want you to commit to 21 days. I'm going straight. I'm going to work out 15 to 30 minutes a day, or a total of 3 to 5 times a week. And I'm going to be consistent, and I'm going to stay consistent. So consistency is key to your success in getting healthy, getting your fitness journey starting, dropping the weight so you can get to a healthy weight and start changing some things in your life. Next, here's a good one. Partner up. Find you somebody that you can commit with. Somebody who is like-minded, right? You don't want to hook up with nobody that's not going to motivate you. So who is your motivator? Hook up with somebody and you all partner together and do some workouts over Zoom, or if you all can come together, meet up and work out together. I found out that working out with a partner really helped me. It really motivated me. It really pushed me to go harder in my workouts. And so I think you should do the same thing, and definitely you'll start seeing some great results, and you'll be able to challenge each other and really encourage each other as you see results happen. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Hey, here's the tough part, but water is going to be your friend. Hey, water is going to be your best friend during this time. So get rid of drinks that are high in sugar and start drinking water. Now, what I found out was I had to add a little bit of flavor to some of my water. So I found water that was flavored but didn't have any sugar in it. Eventually, I wasn't that big on those. I do them every now and then. Maybe if I have a good meal and I just want to still stay healthy and I don't want to add so much sugar, I may get one of those kind of drinks, and you can pick those up anywhere. But mostly I stick with water. I also tell you, adding a little lemon in there and maybe some tea. Those are good remedies to kind of help also as you drink. But let's get rid of all the high sugary sodas, bad for you, stuff that's out the way. Start drinking water. I'm telling you, you start drinking water, adding those to your workouts, committing to the process, and having some motivation around you, and you're going to see that weight just fall off, and you're going to really see some results really, really quick. So let's get on the water. Let's hydrate yourself. That's important. Your body needs that. It's going to be important for you to do it. Eating matters. You all heard it before. When you're on a fitness journey, you're trying to get your life right, you're going to have to eat right. You're going to have to change the way you eat. Take baby steps. Let's start off with this. One of the things that I did was, instead of eating on big plates, I reduced my plate size so that I start eating on smaller plates. And then the things that were good for me and were healthy for me, I made those more relevant on my plate. Meaning I ate more vegetables, and I added more vegetables on my plate, in my small plate, so that I could consume more of the vegetables and less of the other things that maybe I didn't eat when I first got started. So portion control, that's what I call it. You got to watch your portions. You can eat, but you're just going to have to watch your portions. You're going to have to bring it down. And when I started doing that, and I started consuming more vegetables and more fruits, and I started doing the portion controls on the meat and the things that I was eating, I started seeing some changes also. So eating matters. Remember that. Portion control. Get smaller plates in your house. Go buy some small paper plates That's your plate, that's your meal, that's it. Stay consistent in doing that. You're gonna be successful. Last tip, it's all in the mind. Hey, this is a mind thing. And so what I found for myself was reading about fitness, reading fitness materials, ebooks, blogs. I've got some ebooks that I need you to go and get. Reading the blogs, you can read some blogs at BodiedByJ, following social media accounts that people are really pushing fitness, right? Doing that trains the mind. And when you see new workouts, you want to try them. You see somebody talking about something or the benefits of something, you want to try that item or that new food or that new health kit. Stay away from the fad diets, but you want to keep things natural. But the deal is if I'm watching that and I'm training my mind to think about fitness, it's going to change the way that I react, which means it's going to bring more motivation, more encouragement, and overall, I'm going to see changes in my body, in the way that I feel, in my health. My immune system is going to be boosted, and I'm going to start seeing an overall change around me. Hey, at the end of the day, remember, you can do this. Take baby steps. Don't jump right into it. Listen, I guarantee you, if you do these things and you stay consistent, within a month, you're going to start seeing these changes. Matter of fact, probably in a week, you're going to start seeing the changes. But as those things happen over time, it's going to become a lifestyle for you. It's going to become a habit for you. Now, there are going to be some weeks where you're not going to feel well. You know, don't beat yourself. But if there is a habit forming and you are consistent, you'll jump right back into these things. So remember, you can do this. So follow us at BodiedByJ Fitness on Instagram, on Facebook, and please regularly visit our website, www.BodiedByJ.com. Hey, we've released some new ebooks that I want you to go out and get. How to boost your immune system. You need to read that. Information is key. We perish a lot and we fail because of the lack of knowledge and lack of information. And so reading and getting the information, these ebooks, healthy eating, healthy habits, there is even a meal planner out there that'll help you start organizing what you're getting when you're going to the grocery store. Also, if you sign up for our email list, you're going to get a free meal plan and some extra free resources that come along with those ebooks. So please stop by www.BodiedByJ.com. Follow us on all social media, and trust me, I'm ready to see you and your results. And remember, you can do this. Thank you.